Welcome back, guys. You see it? It's time to clear this bad boy. So she's been sitting for a couple weeks, and finally got some time. Come get her done, guys. So just getting everything ready. Check out the color shift right there. Just getting everything ready to wipe down and then hit it with some clear. After the first coat of clear, guys, glassy, wet. Second coat of clear. It's crazy. The camera don't even know what to do. The camera can't focus, bro.
Like literally, I feel like I'm drunk.
It's not, the camera can't even pick it up, bro. It's don't serve no justice. at that. Glass, yo. Alright, boys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. We was finally able to get Monica's engine bay painted and done completely. My brother-in-law, he's really happy with the results. I'm really happy with the results. Now it's just time for my brother-in-law to do his thing and get that motor put back in and get Monica back up and going. I'm gonna definitely get you boys an update on this build once he's got the motor back in the car and the car's up and going. I'll get a little video update for you guys eventually on the channel. If you're not subscribed, go on and smash that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like. Helps out the channel a lot. If you didn't enjoy the video, smash the dislike. That helps as well. Also activate that bell icon down below to get notifications whenever we drop a video or a short or any kind of content on the channel. And just gonna go ahead and check out this video, boys. I want to thank you all. Wouldn't be where we at today if it wasn't for you guys. So I appreciate each and every single one of you. I love you all. God bless you all. Until the next one, boys, we out.